Now your weather forecast with meteorologist Brandon Lashbrook.
Well, the rain may have moved out of here from this morning and this evening, but we have another hazard out there here in Baton Rouge. We have fog out there developing across downtown. You see lower visibilities here on the sky cam, 64 degrees right now. So temperature is not going to move too much as you go through tonight, and we'll have that chance for that patchy, dense fog here and there throughout this evening and into the overnight hours, kind of similar to how we saw last night, as we'll see kind of more fog again tonight and possibly once again for your Friday night too. But as you go through the morning hours, see lows pretty steady in the lower 60s out there, and then we'll have more rain back to the forecast as you go toward your day for your Friday, with temperatures pretty similar to what we saw today, with highs in the upper 60s and lower 70s. But we'll see more rain out there, kind of scattered showers and storms, kind of building in coverage as you go through the day into the overnight hours. So here's where the rain is at right now, well off to the east of our area, east of this frontal boundary. But that front really isn't going to move too much into the overnight hours. It's going to kind of stall out just to the south. So all that rain is off to the east. Not expect any more rain this evening or through the early portions of tonight. But this front will be a focal point for more shower and storm development. Likely the heavier of the rain moving over the more coastal areas south of our area, south of the interstates. But that we'll likely see more heavier rain, but kind of a chance for a few scattered showers kind of moving up to the north until we get to the afternoon hours, into the evening hours. That warm front at that point is going to be lifting off to the north, and so we'll see some more coverage of showers and storms rolling over the area, calling it a scattered kind of coverage out there. And as we kind of go into the overnight hours Friday night into your Saturday morning, we'll see a kind of a line of showers and storms develop as you go into about the overnight hours here at 2 a.m. or so, with more rain. Could be seeing some downpours at times out ahead of a cold front. Another cold front is going to take shape, and that's going to be moving eastward. Here's about 5 a.m. for your Friday morning, so we have some rain out there, maybe heavy at times, and some rumbles of thunder as well. But thankfully, this front will be much more quicker than the last one, so it's going to be moving out here pretty quickly out of here by Saturday afternoon. We are clearing things out with northwesterly winds, bringing in the cooler and drier air behind it. So most of the heavier rain will be down to the south, about 1 to 2 inches, more coastal areas. And then here in Baton Rouge, about an inch or less for most areas, as we'll see about scattered coverage tomorrow and a quicker moving system for your Saturday morning. But after that, rain will be coming to an end, thankfully. So for your Saturday afternoon, evening plans, looking a little bit better out there as we cool down quickly into the 40s overnight for your Sunday morning, as cooler and drier air comes in. In fact, Monday will be the cooler, chillier morning, backing down into the 30s for most of the area for Monday morning, even in the afternoon, only in the upper 50s and lower 60s out there. So thankfully, as you go through tomorrow and to your Saturday, that will be the end of the rain for a brief period of time. As you go toward next week, look at that, much different forecast out there, much nicer as well, cooler out there, near average, and drier as well. That's the main key point. Not much rain to the forecast throughout much of next week, before we just kind of slightly warm up to the lower 70s by the end of the week. But our mornings will be nice and chillier out there too, in the lower 40s and upper 30s as well.